Here's an interesting app called Parallel Live Simulator. It's in top charts in entertainment. So what does it do? It's basically, if you're aspiring TikTok streamer, but right now you just have 100 followers. Uh, like this app can help you visualize your dreams. This app works like that. So you just basically open it up. You can just add your photo. You can add your name. You can. It's in a free version. There are some limitations, but then you can just start live simulator. You can want to show verification. Okay, this is a paid feature, and then you can just set up how many viewers do you want to see in your live stream. And this is not real users. This is just kind of like a game, but it just helps you simulate that. If you wanna upgrade to Pro Access, you can get like 300k viewers, kind of like Illusion users, but it costs like $10 lifetime subscription. And then you kind of have like this app. This is how it looks like, and then you will see all these like fake comments. You can see all of just you can reply back. You can okay, so some of the buttons are just like closed, but then this is basically how it can look like if you just have this overview. This button are not working. This is just for you to you can also capture audio and all of that. So yeah, this is just basically the idea. So you can visualize some kind of what would happen if you're like a famous TikTok streamer. So that's what it is.